I have been so scared to open this because what if the pink ticket is not inside? I ordered during the Cyber Craze sale, and honestly, I have been dodging this package. Like, this package owes me some money. Isn't that crazy? This box could literally change my whole week if there is a pink ticket inside. Moment of truth. Is there a pink ticket in this thing? I don't want to look. This was a free gift. Maybe the pink ticket is inside the bag. It's empty. I'm so nervous right now. The bag is empty. This is the box. You guys, I don't know. I'm so scared. God. Oh, I didn't get it. Life. Okay, so I'll just take out the things I got. I'm still sad that I did not get the pink ticket. I really had high hopes, but I wasn't shopping because of the pink ticket. I was shopping because I honestly needed these things and I wanted to try them out for myself. But you know, when she mentioned the pink ticket, my hopes went high, you know, as a human being. Yeah, I really wanted the pink ticket, but as we all know, I didn't get it. So that's that for that. But I'm really glad that yeah, I have Huda Beauty in my collection. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.